Good, get him on the bit. There we go. Make sure he's paying attention to you. Don't let him pay attention to that. Make him pay attention to you. And look at C. And he's a little rude, but that's okay. Good, that's beautiful. Good. Slow him down a little bit. Slow him down. Try to keep the same pace. Slow him down, half halt. Slow him down a little bit. There you go. Do not canter until you get past that center line. No! Bad horse. Good. Good job. Slow him down. Slow him down. Good. Look where you're going. Nope. You're on the wrong lead. He'll change for you. Good. Now trot. Trot. Trot.